Hi there! Welcome to today's English lesson. This is Word Stories, where we turn simple stories into unforgettable vocabulary. Learn 5 new words in every episode and make them stick.
One day, Emma went for a walk in the forest. The air was cool and the trees whispered in the wind. As she walked, she saw something under a big tree. It was a small wooden box, half covered in leaves. She picked it up and slowly opened the lid. Inside was a folded piece of paper. She unfolded it. The message said, "If you want to discover the truth, follow the red stones." Emma looked down and saw tiny red stones on the ground. She followed the path, step by step, deeper into the woods. The trees became taller. The forest grew quiet. At the end of the red trail, there was an old cabin. The door creaked open. A stranger appeared, an old man with kind eyes. He didn't speak. He simply handed her a second message. It said, "The real secret is inside you." Suddenly, loud barking echoed through the forest. Dogs! The man looked at her and said softly, "Go now. Escape before they find you." Emma turned and ran. She ran through the trees, past the red stones, back to the edge of the forest. As the sky turned pink, she reached her small town. She held the message close to her heart and smiled.
Now that we've heard the story, let's take a closer look at the words we learned today. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Discover. Discover means to find something for the first time. It can be a place, a thing, or even an idea. When you discover something, it was unknown to you before. It makes you feel curious or excited. Example sentence. Emma wants to discover the truth hidden in the forest. Secret. A secret is something that is not known by other people. It is private or hidden on purpose. We often keep secrets to protect someone or to surprise them. Some secrets can be small, and others can be very important. Example sentence. The old man gave her a secret that could change everything. Stranger. A stranger is a person you do not know. It's someone you have never met before. Strangers can be kind, scary, or mysterious. In stories, meeting a stranger often brings something new or unexpected. Example sentence. A stranger came out of the dark cabin and gave her a message. Message. A message is information that one person gives to another. It can be written, spoken, or even sent through signs. A message tells you something important or gives instructions, feelings, or thoughts. Example sentence. She opened the paper and read the message. The secret is inside you. Escape. Escape means to get away from danger, a problem, or a place you don't want to be. It's usually quick and sometimes scary. People escape from bad weather, wild animals, or difficult situations. Example sentence. When the dog started barking, she had to escape fast.
Great job! Now you know 5 new English words. Can you make your own sentences using these words? Write them in the comments. I'll be reading them.
That's it for today's word stories. Now you know 5 new words and how to use them. Practice them, repeat them, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell. And hey, don't forget to come back for the next story.